Welcome to Mystic Dragonfly Garden. We are back here at Ace Hardware finishing up April's garden tours of their pop-up garden shop. They got a few new things in this week and I am going to share those with you. Now here in Shade Perennials, they got in some of these leopard plants, also known as tractor seat plants, and they are $13.99. These are really fun perennials for the shade garden, and this guy is definitely coming home with me. They still have their polo cages. They have several of those left. I did discover that my coffee cup, um, that ground where I had it planted is just too moist for a bulb to live over the winter. So I'm going to pick up one of these teacups, but it rained, so I thought I'd show you how. See how it tips? That's how the teacups or the coffee cups operate when it rains. I think that's a lot of fun. But since I'm going to put it over there in Mad Hatter Garden, it's most appropriate that I'm going to take home the teacups. In annuals, they did get in the new Super Tunia Tiara Blue from Proven Winners. This is a new introduction for this year. And they got in the Super Tunia Tiara Pink. These are petunias, so they are full sun annuals. They get 4 to 12 inches tall, and spacing is 12 to 24 inches wide. So those are a lot of fun. She did get back in some of this Sunberry Nemesia, the yellow and white Nemesia, which sold out really quick the first time she'd ordered it. And I believe this raspberry lemonade Nemesia is new as well. There are some new paper flowers, these Harvest Orange, which none of them are in bloom, but I bet that'll make a beautiful paper flower. They will get to be 18 to 30 inches tall. Spacing is 18 to 24 inches. Full sun. So that these are the Harvest Orange paper flowers. Here is some Irish moss. And some red thyme. This makes a great ground cover. And here are some more cyclamens. In annuals, there are some Sunfinity double yellow sunflowers. And these get to be 32 to 40 inches tall, 24 to 30 inches wide. That, I bet, would be a gorgeous sunflower. Oh, wow, this is unique. A black Angelonia. Here is one that is blooming, so it's a deep, deep purple, and I bet in full sun it would look really dark and black. They're going to be 8 to 12 inches high, and spacing is 9 to 12 inches apart. New in hanging baskets, that is a really fun combination. Very unique Tradescantia combination. Love that. Oh my goodness, look at the color on this rose. This is a orange glow knockout rose. I don't think the camera does this justice. Wow. Also in hanging baskets, we have these purple osteospermum baskets. I don't remember these being here last time. Those are really, really pretty, and a tough flower. Those would make an excellent full sun hanging basket that would last to a hard frost. And for this week's pop of color in the garden, wouldn't this be fun? The Rodeo Drive Coleus Compact Vanessa White Verbena with this Angel Flare Angelonia. Well, these are the beauties that are coming home with me. The Orange Glow Knockout Rose, the teacups, the Pop Star Pink Balloon Flower, and then the tractor seat plant. Well, that wraps up this week's nursery tour. Thank you for coming shopping with me. For the love of dirt, get outside. Enjoy what nature has to offer. Until next time.